Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. Let's make a quick revision about Chapter 7 Body Coordination, which may you benefit for your coming tests. Let's begin. For this video, I have provided you with two samples of questions. Let's begin with the first question. Diagram 1 shows the location of endocrine glands of a woman. And these are the questions. A1. Name glands P and Q in the boxes provided in diagram 1. 2 marks. A2. State one function of hormone secreted by glands P and Q. 2 marks. And finally, B. State one effect to the woman if both glands Q are removed. 1 mark. This question is the example of structured question where students have to write their answers in the spaces provided or in the boxes given in the diagram. For A1 question, we have to name the glands P and Q respectively. Gland P is situated at the base of our brain. It is also known as the mastery gland. So P is the pituitary gland. As the question already stated that this is the endocrine system for a woman. So Q is the reproductive system of a woman. A woman have a pair of ovary. A2. State one function of hormone secreted by glands P and Q. Gland P produces growth hormone. So growth hormone is used to stimulate growth in children. Q, the ovary, produce progesterone, so it is function to control menstrual cycle. Next, B. State one effect to the woman if both glands Q are removed. We know that the function of ovary are used to produce ovums or eggs for fertilization. So, without glands Q, it will result in infertility. Now, let's look at question 2, an essay question. Diagram 2 shows an emergency situation where a man is being chased by a dog. Based on diagram 2, state two body coordination that involve 2 marks. B. State one sensory organ that involved in this situation, 1 mark. C. State the function of endocrine gland in this situation, 1 mark. And finally, D. Complete the flowchart below which shows the relationship between two systems using the words given, 3 marks. For an essay question, students should use the additional sheet that is provided during the examination. Well, to answer the first question, 2A, state two body coordination involved. First, please don't forget to write the question number. Let's say 2A. Then, finally, write your key point of your answers. So, the answer for this question, the two body coordination involved in these panic situations are nervous coordination and hormonal coordination. Next, B question, state one sensory organ that involved in diagram 2. So first, you please write B. Then, the only sensory organ that allows response to light and allows vision so that the person alert that the dog is chasing him is the eye. So just write the eye as the answer. C question, state the function of endocrine gland in this situation. First, write C. Then please think, what is the endocrine gland that involved in this panic situation? Yes, it is an adrenal gland. Adrenal gland function is to secrete adrenaline hormone. So just write secretes or produces adrenaline. Last question. Complete the flowchart below which shows the relationship between two systems by using the words given 3 marks. So first we have to review and study the flowchart given in the question first. Then write D. The two systems mentioned earlier in the question is actually referred to the nervous system and the hormone or endocrine system. Now let's start with the first system, the nervous system. Stimulus stimulate the receptor P, where nerve impulses will be produced and transferred to the brain and then to the muscles or effectors. Then we focus on the second system, which is the endocrine system. The brain, which is associated with the endocrine gland, such as the adrenal gland, will produce the adrenaline hormone, which affect the heart, liver, and lungs function that to be suited to the panic situation, then goes down to the muscle. Both of these systems integrated to give a reaction. So R is the reaction.